Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to manage ChatGPT data. So to start, open ChatGPT and click the two lines in the top left corner. Now at the bottom, select settings icon. Now in here, scroll down and select data controls. So this is where you can manage several privacy settings. So you can control model training. So if you don't want your conversation used to help improve OpenAI's models, you can turn improve the model for everyone off. So your chats will remain in your history but won't be used for model training. So this setting syncs across your devices when you're signed in. Now, if you go down, you can also delete all chats, you can archive all chats, you can export data from here, you can delete your account. So if you click export data, so click that and click open ChatGPT on web, confirm your request, and wait for the email containing your download link. So the exported zip file includes your chat history and other account information. So the download link expires after 24 hours and the export may take up to 7 days to arrive. You can also manage your memory. So go back, scroll up and select memory. So here you can view, edit, or delete saved memories. You can also delete all saved memories at once. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.